Our focus in this video is on telephone extensions. A telephone extension, which is shortened EST, refers to a phone on an internal telephone system, or PABX. Every telephone extension has a unique telephone number, which is referred to as an extension code. Telephone extension codes are assigned to every extension by default from factory, but one can as well modify extension codes to suit preference through system programming. Please note that once the physical layout of a PBX is completed and the system is turned on, the default extension codes can be used to communicate from one extension to the other without going through system programming. System programming becomes necessary as and when one needs to change default settings to user-preferred settings, including extension codes or extension numbering, in order to suit particular preferred set of numbering order or formats. Please refer to your PBX switch manual to know the default extension codes of your PBX switch. For more information on PBX and other related topics, please visit our channel www.youtube.com/@tech_inside_out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Meet you in the next video.